I have a 3-inch well. Can I install a solar pumping system with a submersible pump? Typically, submersible pumps have a 4-inch diameter. However, some manufacturers produce 3-inch submersible pumps. There is a risk that the well could be slightly smaller than 3 inches, making it impossible to insert the pump. There is a considerable risk in trying to insert a pump into a 3-inch diameter well, even if the pump itself is 3 inches in diameter. If the well is already smaller than 3 inches, you would need to consider using a suction method to extract the water. Keep in mind, this is only possible if the water is close to the surface and at a shallow depth. Depending on the pump's suction capacity, which could be up to 8 meters at most, suction may not be possible in deeper wells. If the suction height exceeds this limit, you would need to explore alternative solutions. For wells wider than 2 inches, an ejector may be an option since most ejectors on the market have a 2-inch diameter. However, if the well is narrower than 2 inches, even using an ejector becomes complicated. In summary, solar submersible pumps are recommended for installation in wells with diameters of 4 inches or larger. Thank you very much for your attention to this video.